You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. I know too many people mispronounce it or are confused by the pronunciation, but if you want to learn more confusing names, I've got more videos for you at the end of this video. English pronunciation: Russell, ra, ra. So, stress on the first syllable, on the ra syllable. It's actually pretty easy once you know. Listen carefully how to pronounce English pronunciation: Russell. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.